Hello YouTubers, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the sequre screwdriver, if I'm pronouncing that right. And I've seen some other screwdrivers like this and I wasn't really too impressed. So we got a manual here in Chinese and English. It's a 5-volt charger, type C, which is a good thing. 30 minutes to charge, 60 minutes a runtime, a 4mm inner, that's this, sockets, 304 stainless steel, 0.69 inch OLED, and LED light in the front, and a 320 milliamp battery. Now I gotta say, this box does have some weight to it. Wow, this thing has got some weight. Pretty nice. There's the display. We'll do a little close-up shot of this. Let's see what else we get in the box. But yeah, my first thoughts, nice quality. Hopefully it works good. And obviously this is probably bits. Alright, so I guess it comes with an extra bit or something. Comes with another screwdriver. That's got a nice magnet in it. Let's check this one. Not that strong. They should have that type of magnet in there. So that one's a little stronger for magnet wise. Which with the stars that kind of stick to the screw, it's probably gonna come out. Like to see a little stronger magnet in that. But I mean, wow, this thing's got some weight to it. It's like almost like a stainless steel bar holding. And you got all your different bits in here, security bits, your little dots and stuff. Which the bits seem pretty decent. Alright. So I think that we're L is low. Let's see if we hold this. No. Alright, there we go. Oh, we just got in the menu somehow. Alright, so it's 3 clicks. So it says the firmware there. I'm just going to go to S. Let's grab a game console. Let's try this on. Alright, so this is a PlayStation 4. I'm gonna have to grab the right bit for that. Let's use their bits. Alright, that's the one. Now, let's take a look just real quick underneath the side camera with this. Just so you get a nice view of it. Turn my lighting down a little bit. So yeah, we got the screen. Like I said, this thing's got some weight to it. That's the model. And that's the USB port. Type C. Now we just hold this button. See how I just turned it like this way to like turn a screw? Now we can go, now we go the other direction. Hold it. Reverse. That is awesome. That is a pretty nice feature. So I just want to give you guys a little side view of it, and you press this 3 times. You can select that. Let's see if we can select something out of the other menu here. No. See, what's that? What did that say? Action. Alright, so there we go. Let's see what that changes. Alright, so that's how sensitive the turning back and forth is. That's way too sensitive. Let's do minimum. Yeah, that's way better. Yeah, that's having that at the minimum is way better because that's way too sensitive. I mean, like, you just move it a little bit. So it's got some really nice sensors in it. I'm pretty impressed with this, especially the technology in it. All stainless steel. Alright, let's try it on a game console. So I have to give this one. Yeah, that was I want to say, like that you could use it as a screwdriver. Yeah, doesn't have enough torque right there. So we have to change the setting because that's on the S. And there we go. We're set for. See if we got some torque now. No. Yeah, that won't do that screw. I mean, if you give it a little bit of at the beginning or something, it'll come out. Let's check out some other screws. That's no biggie. It's like it don't have enough torque behind it. Yeah, look at this. This is a water damaged PlayStation. So we'll grab a Phillips bit that matches this. Alright, so that works. So screws that are going into plastic, I wouldn't say it wouldn't work that good. So that one was a little tight, I had to give it a little torque. See now, so that just came out too easy, this. Yeah, they should have a stronger magnet. Let me see if I just do this stuff. Yep. Yeah. That's gonna get some used to. See how how easy that is to grab out? I was just trying to grab the screw off of here. There I go again, pulling it out. So that's not good. There ain't nothing in there. Yeah, I don't know. I don't like that. So you'll see the screw, see how it's going upwards? Oh, that's screwing in. Reverse. So set to the max. That's for the when it senses your left and right. So yeah, what's my thoughts about it? Yeah, it could be a little stronger. Maybe it needs a firmware update. It's gonna get some used to getting used to. I mean, it's quiet. I do like the twisting action. I mean, it'd be nice if you had the option for the button, I guess, too. There probably is a setting for it. Yeah, so that's a pretty interesting screwdriver, I got to say. I mean, it's good for stuff like for small components. I mean, for the screw going into the plastic, yeah, it's a little tough. You're gonna have to unscrew it a little manually. But stuff that's in metal to metal screws, pretty good. So, what's my thoughts on this? I like the quality of the build quality of it. I don't like the magnetic in it. It really doesn't magnetize itself. Yeah, it's just too easy to remove. So that's one of the down features on it. It's going to take some getting used to this, twisting back and forth like that, how it picks up that sensing. And with the torque sequence and stuff, this one I always had set to, number 1, which it would stop it from stripping out screws. But in most sense, this is way too powerful for a lot of stuff that I use. I mean, it works good for the game consoles and stuff. So I figured I'd try something out new, But I do gotta say, it seems quality built. It's made out of nice materials. And it's good for like removing keyboards for MacBooks and stuff like that, or working on laptops. Little hobby stuff too. You can see it removed the screws for the game console, so it's gonna work. But you trying to drill some wood or anything like that, a screw through some wood with this ain't gonna work. So I wouldn't recommend this if you're trying to, do some home improvements and stuff. Maybe like remove a screw from a wall outlet or something, or a wall plate for a light switch. Little stuff like that. Yeah, you could use that for this. But I don't like the magnet. It should be a little bit more. Here, this is iFixit. So you should have that locking in there. And even in their screwdriver they provide you it. Yeah, see. So that's one of the downfalls. I'm going to have to try to get used to that. But I like it. Hopefully it lasts a long time. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.